Welcome to the forest. And today, we're gonna take a little walk through the spring forest. Come on, let's go. For those of you who are familiar with my Brown County channel, you've seen some of this before. But I have to tell you, spring is the most amazing time of year. It is truly my favorite time of the year. And you have seen some of my videos of all the beautiful fall foliage and the way my forest looks in the autumn season with amazing colors. They're just absolutely amazing. And autumn is fantastic, but spring has always been my favorite time of the year. Things just start to rebloom and regrow, and not only that, the forest is full of food. Yummy, 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 fresh, green, lovely, colorful food. And we're going to take a look at some of that today. Now looky here. Here's your disclaimer. Here is your disclaimer. I'm gonna tell you right now. Don't be going out into the woods and just grabbing any old thing and sticking it in your mouth and getting yourself sick and poisoned. If you don't know what it is, don't eat it. Understand? Eh? All these pink trees that you see are called red buds. Now, yes, I know they're called red buds, but they are a little bit pink. But just before they open up, they're really a deep, dark red and purple color. The thing about red bud trees is that these little blossoms are actually edible. They're edible. You can throw them on salads. You can throw them on your different dishes or something like that. Use them as a little garnish. They're high in vitamin C, and they actually have a really good flavor. Yummy. Yeah. Oh yeah. So good. And here comes the wind again. Windy spring day. Another really nice edible that you'll find growing in the early spring forest is the violet. That's right, the violet. Everybody loves violet. So check this out. Believe it or not, one violet flower has more vitamin C in it, and this is what I've read, than one full orange. Kind of hard to believe, but you know, it's the way it works. Pretty good. You can make a really nice tea out of violets as well. Just collect a bunch of them, steep them just like you would any other tea. Turns out pretty nice. So another really nice choice edible is wild garlic. I kid you not. We've got a stand of wild garlic growing right down here. Check it out. Wild garlic is really nice. It's got these little stems. Sometimes it's a little purplish at the bottom of the stem. It looks like a wild grass, but it's absolutely yummy. It's got a very mild garlic flavor. You can clip this off, throw it into your cooking, and it is just fantastic. Or when it comes to this garlic, you can just wait until summer, and it grows what's called a scape, and that is just before it flowers and seeds, and those are fantastic in cooking. And you can pull the flowers off and eat those too. But like I said, the leaves, very, very mild garlicky flavor to them. Really nice. And the next thing I just ran across right here by the gate is what's called narrow leaf plantain. There is two types of plantains. There's a broadleaf plantain and a narrow leaf plantain, and both of them are really awesome. Plantain is an amazing medicinal. If you get a scratch or a cut, you can take the plantain, macerate it, get it all nice and moist, and rub it on your scrapes and your cuts, or even put it underneath a bandage, and it will heal your scrape and your cut and your sores just like that. It's fantastic. Narrow and broadleaf plantain is also edible. Now, there's a little bit of mixed information on how much you should and shouldn't eat, but throwing a little bit into your soup or maybe a little bit onto your salad isn't going to hurt you one bit. Matter of fact, it's pretty good medicinal. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk through the forest just as much as I did. Springtime here really is fantastic. It's amazing. It's just wonderful to see how everything comes back to life. And the skies get blue, the temperatures come up. Today is just absolutely gorgeous, as you can see here behind me. And it doesn't get any better than this. It really doesn't. And with that, folks, I will see you on the next Bad Panda videos. You're coming back. You know why you're coming back? Because it's awesome here, and I'm always happy to have you. That violet kind of had a little bit of a twang to its taste for some reason. Kind of makes me wonder if a deer or a coyote had to come by and peed on it before I ate it.
Bad panda, bad panda.